Alright, hey now what is up guys, Aaron here, and what I want to do in this video is walk you through very high level a tool that you can use with any computer, whether it's Mac or PC, to automate all sorts of things, and that is called Zapier, Z-A-P-I-E-R. Zapier is something that I have been using for a few years now at this point. Started out with the free, I believe they have a free entry-level type plan that you can start with, and then you can incrementally, as your needs grow, you can obviously pay more to get more. So you can start with free to play around with Zapier. They do a very good job on their website of explaining what it does. Put very simply, it allows you to connect multiple online web services that you might use to do certain things, and you can, based on a trigger, you can have multiple actions happen after that trigger has occurred. I use this for a whole host of different things in my day-to-day work that I do, and I will have separate videos where I walk you through real-life scenarios that I am using Zapier to do a ton of automation that saves me a lot of time, and it helps me remain and appear to be extremely consistent. And the beautiful thing about Zapier is that you can basically create zaps and then forget about them. When the triggers happen, things will then occur as a result of that, and they will always be the same unless you run into problems and you're notified of that and can troubleshoot extremely easily. So if you are looking for ways to just connect different services that you're using online, Zapier is something that I would highly recommend that you look into. Go to Zapier.com, poke around, see if it can meet any needs that you have, and I will have separate videos explaining some very complex things and also some very simple things that I have Zapier doing for me on a daily basis. Please leave any questions that you have in advance below in the comments, and I'll do my best to explain them in a future video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.